Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix Facebook dating profile not available. Now the first thing you need to make sure is that you are actually on a mobile device, because Facebook dating is only available in the mobile, Facebook app. And make sure your Facebook app is actually updated. You just come here to your Play Store and make sure you don't see any update button right here. It needs to be fully updated, okay? And just make sure you're in the correct regions that support it, because Facebook dating, it's not available in older regions. The countries I do know, you can actually search this up. I know Argentina, Austria, Belgium, Bolivia, Brazil. There's a lot of countries you can search it up that have this available, and of course you must be 18 or older. Okay, let me come here at the top right, click on my menu icon, and you can go to your settings and make sure your age, your birthday, makes you 18 or older, because you need to be an adult to use the Facebook dating app. Okay, and if you had turned off location services, you go ahead and turn it on. So you go to your settings on your device. Okay, scroll down and find app management, then go to app list, and let's go ahead and scroll down until we find Facebook, because we need the location to be enabled. So I'll come here to where Facebook is. It should be around F. There you go. And come here to permissions, right? Make sure location was enabled. As you can see, this is set to don't allow. Make sure it is set to allow only while using the app, and use precise location. This is the main issue that people have, because Facebook dating actually requires location permissions to work. Now you can try it again and it will work. Okay, really that easy and simple. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.